Good morning, my fellow YouTubers. In today's video, we will be working on a BMW. It's a 325i. Nice little BMW here. Somebody got a little nasty and lost control probably. But here at Paz, we'll get it right. In today's video, we're gonna be prepping and taping and painting a BMW. It's a cream white. So let's see how that turns out, right? Oh, going to be painting quarters, bumper. Let's see how it goes. So I'm currently going to sand the rear bumper with 320 grid. Then I'm gonna hit the primer as well with the 320, and then we're gonna go ahead and scuff it and it should be ready. So let's get to it. So when sanding with 320 grid, you got your DA 320. You wanna make sure you get all your chips right now, cause like this one, you see, you got a chip, you gotta get it out. So if in case it needs primer, you go ahead, put primer before you paint, right? Common sense. You don't want to paint your car and leave the chips. Simple. So let's get to it. All right, so we're currently putting jump box on the BMW. Going to go ahead and pull it down off the ramp, off the frame machine. Look at this jump, man. Nice. It's nice. This is a buddy of mine's. He has a dealership, so let's see if it starts. As you guys can see, we have the BMW already in the paint room. It's all taped up, degreased, and ready for paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and start shooting the white paint on it. It's a Alpine White. So let's go ahead and go mix our paint, and let's start spraying. All right, so here I have my Alpine White for the BMW. Go ahead and pour some in my mixing cup. already kind of know the measurements I need, so I don't really need to do a whole lot of measuring. I already know my measurements, so my reducer. Just like that. It's ready for spraying. So right now it's at 2 coats of Alpine White. I think with another 2 coats, it'll be fine. You can still see a little bit of red, but the primer is pretty much covered. So I'm gonna shoot it with 1 more coat, see how it looks. The bumper was red, so as you can see, you can still see a little bit of red right there, and the primer. So we'll go ahead and shoot it one more coat. So let's get right to it. So we went ahead and finished the BMW already. We wet sanded it and buffed it. She came out pretty nice, in my opinion. We went ahead and washed it up, ready for the customer to come and pick up. Hopefully he likes it. Comment below your opinion, if you like it, if you don't like it, what you don't like, what you think I should improve on. You know, here's the BMW right next to me, as you can see. So your opinion on it, if the color matched, if it didn't match, if we did a good job, you know. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. I highly appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you next time on my next video. Peace.